Friday morning, the Hudson County View went to St. Aloysius Church in Jersey City to see the life of Melvin Santiago, a 23-year-old Jersey City police officer that was killed on the line of duty on Sunday, be honored by friends, family, and countless members of law enforcement.
Thousands of members of law enforcement from all over the tri-state area converged on Jersey City to pay their respects to fallen Jersey City police officer Melvin Santiago. Jersey City police officers marched from McLaughlin Funeral Home to St. Aloysius Catholic Church in what could be described as nothing short of a sign of unity and strength. Jersey City Mayor Stephen Fulop, Public Safety Director James Shea, and members of the City Council, as well as various elected officials from around the state, including Governor Chris Christie, Senate President Steve Sweeney, and U.S. Attorney General of New Jersey Paul Fishman, also came to honor Santiago. Hudson County View caught up with 33rd District Assemblyman Raj Mukherji before the funeral service began to get his thoughts on the day.
Today isn't about the circumstances attendant to his murder. Today we're celebrating the life of Detective Santiago and what he had to offer. In this funeral, it's an incredible tragedy. It was an attack against our entire city, but you've got representation here from all over the country. Law enforcement, civilians alike are coming together with Jersey City to mourn. All that is necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men to do nothing, and Detective Santiago didn't have that problem, and I think that's how he will be remembered.
John Lyon, a 9-year veteran of the White Plains, New York Police Unit, explained why he felt it was necessary to make it to the funeral.
The thing about coming out here is that I'm well aware that this is a brotherhood that we support. Everybody here is on their own time. We all volunteer to come here, with our department, and it's an honor. We've had in our department a fallen brother a couple of years ago as well, so we know what it feels like. We know how important it is for us to support one another. So it's not a problem coming out here. It's an honor for us.
Antonio Hernandez, the president of the National Coalition of Latino Officers, also spoke with Hudson County View about his take on the situation and what the organization is doing to try and help Santiago's family cope with their loss.
Obviously, any loss of a police officer is very tragic. We are all, the entire law enforcement community is in mourning, and society as a whole has lost a brave soldier who used to protect our citizens, and I'm sure he'll be protecting our citizens from heaven. So the organization is in talks on a scholarship fund. His alma mater was Hudson County Community College, so we are working on setting up a college fund for criminal justice students out of Hudson County Community College. In addition, we are currently looking at state laws that are currently in effect with as it pertains to security guards and being armed, and what training they've had, and whether or not they have the proper equipment to be in these positions, in whether it's Walgreens or any other location. Obviously, there's a concern from our organization that if they lack the training and they're in uniform and they have a handgun, that we should be concerned, because in this particular instance, the actor did not come armed, he became armed.
After the funeral concluded, Santiago's casket, which was draped in a flag from the World Trade Center, was carried into a hearse that would travel to Holy Cross Cemetery in North Arlington, where his body was interred. Donations for Santiago's Memorial Fund can be made to the JC Police Civic Association, Inc. Memorial Fund for P.O. Melvin V. Santiago, P.O. Box 17395, Jersey City, New Jersey, 07307.
I'm John Heides from the Hudson County View, the eye of the community.